you're probably throwing out the most valuable part of the papaya without even realizing it. While most people focus on the fruit's benefits, science is uncovering that the leaves actually hold even more powerful health compounds. Contrary to what many nutritionists say, papaya leaves aren't just safe to eat. They can actually be up to 10 times more effective than several natural remedies. In this video, I'll reveal 11 surprising benefits that could completely shift how you view this fruit, one I consider a true but often overlooked treasure. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to prepare the leaves properly to get the most out of their therapeutic power. And I'll also cover the precautions you need to keep in mind before using them. 1. Boosts digestion and gut health. Did you know papaya leaves are among the most effective natural solutions for digestive issues? That's due to their strong digestive enzymes, mainly papain and chymopapain. To give you an idea, papain is so powerful at breaking down protein that it's used in the food industry to tenderize meat. So just imagine the effect it has in your body when you consume papaya leaves. These enzymes help break down the proteins in the food you eat, speeding up and improving digestion. It's like giving your digestive system a helping hand. The digestion-related benefits are many: less gas, relief from that heavy feeling after eating, reduced bloating, and relief from chronic constipation. Plus, papaya leaves have anti-parasitic properties, meaning they can help flush out intestinal worms and parasites. That leads to a natural intestinal cleanse and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Another bonus, they help protect your stomach lining, making them helpful in treating issues like gastritis and ulcers. They reduce inflammation and support healing of the stomach's inner lining. 2. Strengthens your immune system. Your immune system is your first line of defense against illness, and papaya leaves can help give it a boost. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they work to enhance your body's natural defenses. These compounds shield your cells from damage caused by free radicals and promote the production of white blood cells. Also called leukocytes, white blood cells are your body's defense squad. They recognize and fight off invaders like viruses, bacteria, and other harmful microorganisms. The more white blood cells you have working well, the better protected you are. Drinking papaya leaf tea regularly may help lower your chances of catching a bug going around your workplace or your kid's school. And if you're already sick, it can support a quicker recovery. On top of that, the antioxidants in the leaves help bring down inflammation across the body and reduce oxidative stress, improving your overall health. 3. Helps regulate blood sugar. If you're diabetic or at risk of becoming diabetic, here's something worth noting. Papaya leaves may help manage your blood sugar levels. They're loaded with antioxidants that increase insulin sensitivity. When your cells are more responsive to insulin, they absorb glucose from the bloodstream more effectively, reducing those dangerous sugar spikes. Animal studies using diabetic mice have shown promising outcomes. The mice given papaya leaf extract experienced a significant drop in their blood sugar levels. We still need more human studies to fully confirm these effects, but many health experts already see papaya leaf juice or tea as a valuable natural addition for people managing type 2 diabetes. Raises platelet count. This benefit can actually save lives, especially in places where dengue fever is common. When infected by the dengue virus, a person's platelet levels can fall dangerously low, increasing the risk of bleeding and serious complications. That's where papaya leaves come in. Studies show that dengue patients who took papaya leaf extract saw a faster and greater rise in their platelet count than those who didn't. The compounds in the leaves appear to promote platelet production and support the immune system, aiding in recovery. And it's not just limited to dengue. Papaya leaf extract can also help people with low platelets due to other causes like chemotherapy, autoimmune disorders, or aplastic anemia. Just to be clear, this isn't a replacement for medical treatment, but it can be a strong natural complement when it comes to supporting healthy blood levels. 5. Fights inflammation and chronic pain. Chronic inflammation is behind many health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Papaya leaves are packed with anti-inflammatory agents like flavonoids, alkaloids, and tannins. These work to neutralize free radicals and slow down the body's production of inflammatory substances. If you're dealing with arthritis or joint pain, consuming papaya leaves regularly could ease discomfort and help improve your movement. People with gut inflammation, conditions like colitis or irritable bowel syndrome, can also benefit from the leaves' calming effect on the digestive tract. There's also potential for skin issues. Conditions like eczema and psoriasis may improve because of the anti-inflammatory properties and the leaves' ability to speed up skin healing. And if you're someone who works out a lot, papaya leaves can support faster muscle recovery and help ease soreness after tough training sessions. 6. Supports healthy, youthful skin. Let's be honest, who doesn't want glowing, healthy skin? Papaya leaves can be your go-to natural option. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus powerful antioxidants that fight off free radicals, the main culprits behind early signs of aging like wrinkles and dullness. These nutrients help boost collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Papaya leaves also help reduce acne. Their antibacterial properties can fight off the bacteria that cause breakouts, and the anti-inflammatory effects help calm redness and swelling. You can even apply a papaya leaf paste topically to troubled spots. Whether you drink it as tea or use it in a face mask, the leaves can help brighten your complexion and clear up your skin from the inside out. 7. Promotes hair growth and scalp health. Struggling with thinning hair or scalp issues? Papaya leaves could help turn things around. They contain compounds that stimulate the hair follicles and promote growth, especially helpful if you're dealing with hair loss due to stress, hormonal imbalance, or inflammation. The leaf extract is also rich in antioxidants that improve blood circulation to the scalp, which is essential for delivering nutrients to your hair roots. On top of that, papaya leaves have antifungal properties that help treat dandruff and reduce scalp itchiness. Using a papaya leaf rinse a few times a week can leave your scalp healthier and your hair stronger and shinier. 8. Detoxifies the liver. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, and papaya leaves can give it some much-needed support. Thanks to their high concentration of antioxidants and liver-supportive enzymes, the leaves help cleanse the liver and support its ability to flush out toxins. In traditional medicine, papaya leaf extract has long been used to treat liver problems like jaundice and cirrhosis. The leaves help reduce oxidative stress in liver tissues and may help repair damage caused by alcohol, medications, or infections. Adding papaya leaf tea to your routine might give your liver a gentle boost. Helps ease menstrual pain. For many women, menstrual cramps can be more than just uncomfortable. They can be downright debilitating. Papaya leaves have compounds that can naturally ease muscle contractions and soothe pain. They may also help regulate menstrual flow and support hormonal balance, which could make your monthly cycle more manageable overall. May reduce cancer risk. Some early studies suggest papaya leaves might have anti-cancer properties. Thanks to their unique blend of antioxidants and immune-boosting compounds, they appear to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis. That's the process where damaged or abnormal cells self-destruct. The leaves are particularly rich in compounds like flavonoids and acetogenins, which may play a role in preventing the spread of tumors and stopping cancer cells from multiplying. While this isn't a substitute for medical cancer treatments, researchers are actively studying papaya leaf extract as a potential complementary therapy. It's a promising area, especially for prevention and immune system support. Papaya leaves are powerful, so don't go overboard. Pregnant women and those on blood-thinning meds should avoid them unless advised by a doctor. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting a new natural remedy, especially if you have any medical conditions or are on medication.